How your order is packed at Africa Imports. I'm Wayne Kelch from Africa Imports. We've been shipping African products for about 20 years now. It's really important to us that we get your orders right. We've made a lot of mistakes, but we've learned from this and made a lot of improvements over the years. Most of these seem minor to talk about. I won't try to talk about all of the details, but there are some things that you can know about how your order is packed and how it's going to be cared for and sent to you. Almost everything that we send to you has a barcode. This keeps us from making mistakes and sending the wrong item to you. If we accidentally pick a wrong item from the shelves, we find out about it when we scan the item into the box. Once we know that we have everything that you ordered and that all of the items for your order are correct, your box is packed. When there are any fragile items in your order, we add extra packing around all of the edges of the box. If there are liquids that may leak, these are normally put into plastic bags to help prevent leakage and to prevent possible damage to your other items. We tape most of the boxes on all of the seams. This gives an added cushion of protection with the air that's trapped inside the box. Especially small items are sometimes put in their own packages to make sure that they are not lost in the other packaging. Some items need to be packed differently in the summer when they are shipped on a hot delivery truck. We have many different items that each require their own special treatment, and we have added special practices for all of these as well. No matter how well we do things though, there can still be mistakes or problems. Every week we go through any problems that have come up during the past week to find ways to improve. We are constantly working to make things better, and the number of problems from packing errors is consistently below 1%. Normally, it's less than 0.5% of all orders. There may be other problems with orders that we can talk about in a different video, but the people who pack your orders take a lot of pride in their work and do a really excellent job.